Here we go. Another repair for today. Matter of fact, we have two of these. These are the RCF subs, 702AS, 12 inches. So, according to the client, this thing is not working. I don't have a lot of details other than it's not working. So, we're gonna churn it. It's pretty heavy, man. Can't tell exactly the weight, but I feel like it's pretty heavy. Okay, so we are going to make sure we got audio first. Gonna test this speaker. So we know we got audio, everything's working. Now we're gonna test this sub here. Okay, so right now we're gonna see what's wrong with this unit. So let's put some music and we're gonna turn it up. So check it out, we're getting signal. See that? So when we're getting signal and we're getting no audio, that means the woofer is bad. So we're gonna go ahead and take a look at the woofer. So we're gonna take it apart. A little bit smaller, but we just need it for the test. So that should do. Okay. These are kind of loose, but I'm gonna hold it in my hands. Make sure it's nice and tight. So let's continue. And we're gonna keep this right in the middle. Don't want to go too high with it. And also, master on my mixer is down. Let's put some power. We're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna hold it in place. So as soon as it's on, put some music, master up. Okay. You hear that? Look at that. So that means your other woofer is bad. That tells us we just need a new woofer. So we're gonna pull that out, and let me turn this off. Okay, this is what we're talking about. There's our specs, 8 ohms, and that's the part number, made in Italy. I like to look at these things sometimes and see if this cable's broken. That looks fine. I don't see any issues with the cable. So let's put it on the corner and do another test. Power. Okay, it's on. Music. We got music on. Now I'm gonna fiddle with these. Yeah, bad. Totally dead. So, yeah. Turn it off one more time. Unplug it. And final test with my, here, there we go. Positive, negative, there you go. Turn it on. So yes, we got to get a new woofer. Our test is complete. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this amp back how it was. Good news, just received my order, and I had to get it directly from RCF, one of the authorized dealers. So let's pull them out. Oh, these suckers are heavy. and pull one out and see. Here we go. So this is the new one, and I got the old one sitting right here. So we're gonna do a quick little comparison. So to begin, they look identical, same height, part number. Ooh, same part number. Look at that. Yeah, identical part number. Yes, that's it. Otherwise, they're identical. So let's put the bad one to the side, and we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. Okay, we are ready to get the work done. So. Okay, so we have it all connected, power's on, device is on, now we're gonna test it. Whew, I already hear something. Let's crank it up. Whew, see that? I'm all red, but this thing is vibrating. Yes. So this one is all set. We're gonna do the other one. Okay, we're ready for the second one. All set, all set. Another quick test. Let's see. At the signal. Ooh, sounds good. Yes, that's what we want. That's it. We don't have to test it any further. We are all set. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.